All right, let's go on. Describe a time when you were late. So please, you can start.
I have never been late. I try to reach everywhere at time. I'm a very punctual person. I remember one day I got late from school. It was my color day, and I got late because of traffic. It was so much traffic in my way, and it takes me about 40 minutes to reach to my school from my home. And because I got late because of driver too. The driver who takes me to school by car also got late, and I was in so much anxiety. I wanted to reach there as soon as possible. I didn't want it to miss any moment. But still, I got late from school. I missed some activities and some performances of students, but overall, it was a good experience. I enjoyed so much on that day with my friends.
Okay, 1 minute, right? Your main issue is grammatical range and accuracy. Your topic is in the past tense. Describe a time when you were late, but you mixed past and present both. At one point, you said didn't wanted. After did, we don't use second form, we use first form. I didn't want. Okay, so you need to improve your sentence structure and grammar. Fluency is good. You're speaking according to the topic, even vocabulary is fine, but it's your grammatical range and accuracy where you need improvement. Okay, thank you. All right, let's go on. The next topic is describe a water sport you would like to try in the future.
Yes, there's too many water sports in this world, but I would like to. One of my friend, he's doing river rafting, and but unfortunately, I didn't try this one. My friend, he said to me, he told me it's a very adventurous. It is an adventure, so you will try. I said okay, I will try next time. Mostly he go to the northern areas to do this to river rafting. But I think I need a first any professional who train me how to do this one. So hopefully next year I will go there and try it.
Okay, your answer is short, like you spoke for 49 seconds. Actually, you should speak for more than a minute. And in actual exam, when examiner stops you, then you should stop. So the same piece of advice for you, try to record 5 cue cards every day so that you are familiar with them and then fluency will come. The bench score you are looking at, you are perfectly fine for that. You will get even more than that. But all you need is, you need to do is take full interest, especially in listening and reading modules and then speaking module. So you'll be fine, inshallah. Right? Don't worry. Good job. Okay, let's go on. Describe a crowded place you have visited. Yes.
I don't like crowded place, but mostly I have to go there because friends force me, and even if a family function, I have to go. Last crowded place which I have visited is the PSL match in Gaddafi Stadium. Watched match last year, and I go with my friends.
I went with my
I
friends.
went with my friends and cousins, and when I I entered there. There is a lot of crowd.
There
There was a
was
lot of crowd,
big crowd.
and
Yeah.
I enjoyed very well there because I'm a cricket lover, and that's why I went there.
Carry on.
Um, it was a good experience, and I very enjoyed.
Okay, hardly 1 minute. Okay, you spoke for around 45 seconds. Now, the first thing is grammatical range and accuracy. I pointed out some of your mistakes as you were talking. Second is fluency. And most importantly, it's your talk time. For cue card, talk time is very important. I mean, if you speak for less than a minute, you may be penalized for that, right? Try to speak more and make yourself familiar with all these topics. Okay? Good. All right, let's go on. Describe a traditional festival that is important in your country.
Pakistan is considered as an Islamic state, and there are some religious festivals which are important in my country. The people of Pakistan mostly observe two religious festivals, Eid ul Adha and Eid ul Fitr. Between the festivals, Eid ul Fitr is the most important. It starts from the end of the month of fasting, and the whole month the people of the Muslims uh, do not did not drink and eat after the sun rising and the sunset. They can eat. And the Eid ul Fitr is the most important festival, as like because new dresses were wearing all of the people in this event. The Eid ul Fitr
Okay,
prayer.
thank you so much. Well, most importantly, when you were speaking on the cue card, you did not take any look on the cue card. You did not take any look at the notes that you made. You picked up the word traditional festival and then you started. You were going on and on and on and on and on and on. Don't do that. There are chances that you go beyond the topic or you go out of the topic, and then there can be negative marking for that. It's a very good idea to write down some notes and then look at your outline. First outline, speak on that. Second outline, speak on that. Right? And you're using very basic words and you are repeatedly using the same words. Even sometimes you repeat ideas also. So try to practice in that way. And as you speak, connect yourself with the cue card. This is very important, and you must make some points and then speak according to the points, right? Okay, thank you. All right, let's go on. Yesterday, a student of mine, he had his speaking test and examiner gave him cue card, pen and paper, and he was very lucky that he had spoken on that cue card in my class 2 times. So he told the examiner, I don't want to make any notes. But examiner said, okay, then wait for a minute, because they have these proceedings and the protocols which they follow. So after 1 minute, he started speaking. So if you don't write any notes, you will have to sit idle. So it's better to write some notes and then speak on them. Okay, now the next topic is describe something that you did with someone or a group of people.
Okay. When I was in my 8th standard, my teacher told us a seminar which is conducted in the Murray to all of you had an opportunity to speak in there. After 3 days, when I went to the Murray, and there was a seminar which is conducted to be a fluent and overcome to hesitation of a student to a speech front of the seniors, and with my turn I gave a speech to the audience to overcome my hesitation and become a fluent in describe my idea, to become a fluent to describe my ideas. After there, I come back to the home, and I feel that there is a good opportunity for me and other students to describe our ideas to front of the our seniors, and it make me more fluent speaker. Or
Okay, 1.5 minutes. It's better than before, although there are still issues with fluency, but it's much better. Keep it up like this and practice every cue card. You'll be
Thank you,
okay.
sir.
Yeah. Good job.